नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। सो ऑल द थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस क्लोज्ड इन द रेड ऑन ट्यूसडे विद द डाउ शेडिंग 0.27%, द नैस्डैक फॉलिंग 0.37% and the S&P 500 declining by 0.39%. Currently, the S&P 500 is trading above its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 5,970 to 5,990 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. While on the downside, the support is shifted higher in the zone of 5,890 to 5,870 levels. Talking about Brent crude opened with a gap up today and it is currently trading at $65.93, up 1.32%. Looking ahead, the 50-day EMA zone of 66.5 to $66.6 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the 20-day EMA zone of 64.8 to $64.6 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about US dollar index, the US dollar index is comfortably trading below its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the 20-day EMA zone of 100.3 to 100.4 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 99.2 to 99 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty extended its losing streak for the third straight session on Tuesday, ending below the 24,700 mark with a loss of over 1%. On the daily chart, it formed a sizable bearish candle reflecting sustained selling pressure. Notably, with this decline, the index has slipped below its 5-day and 8-day EMAs, indicating weakening short-term trend. Additionally, the daily RSI has dropped below the 60 level and continues to trend downward, further confirming the loss of momentum. आगे जाके 24,600 से 24,570 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट की तरह काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,570 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो अगला इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट 24,480 से 24,450 के जोन में मिलेगा। वही अपसाइड में 24,760 से लेकर 24,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल बन सकता है। On the derivative front, the May futures dipped by 0.81%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 9.5%, which indicates an overall short build-up. The 24,800 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 24,900 strike. On the put side, the 24,600 has a substantial open interest, followed by 24,500 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.49. Talking about Bank Nifty also slipped by nearly 1% on Tuesday and formed a sizable bearish candle on a daily scale. आगे जाके 54,500 to 54,400 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट की तरह काम करेगा, जबकि अपसाइड में 55,100 to 55,200 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल बन सकता है. Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also declined over 1%, mirroring the weakness seen in Nifty. It has breached its 5-day and 8-day EMA levels, signaling short-term trend deterioration. Furthermore, the daily RSI has slipped below the 60 mark and continues to drift lower, indicating fading momentum. आगे जाके 80,700 से लेके 80,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट की तरह काम करेगा। वही अपसाइड में 81,400 to 81,500 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल होगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.69% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 97.5%, which indicates an overall short build-up. The 81,500 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 82,000 strike. On the put side, 81,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by an 80,500 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.77. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX ended on a positive note for the second consecutive trading session. Going ahead, the zone of 18 to 18.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 15.8 to 15.5 will act as a crucial support. The advanced decline ratio is largely tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors on Tuesday, all the sectoral and thematic indices closed in the red, reflecting broad-based selling pressure. Among them, the technical chart structures of Nifty Pharma and Nifty FMCG appear particularly weak, indicating continued bearish momentum in the near term. Talking about the FI/DI data, in the cash segment, FI is sold to the tune of 10,016 crores, while the DI is bought to the tune of 6,738 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 37.04, as on a net basis they sold 15,250 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.